Hello and welcome to Driving Figures. We women are so much focused into hygiene and cleanliness, whether it be our home, our workplace or even our car. But इन सब के बीच बैलेंस सेटअप करते करते हम अपनी कार को हाइजीनिकली मेंटेन करना प्रायोरिटाइज ही नहीं कर पाते हैं until and unless it becomes an alarming situation. So friends, in today's video I'll be sharing a quick hygiene checklist which if you follow regularly will never let you compromise with your health and that of your car too. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell button to receive our latest informative videos. We do what not to keep our new car look new for as long as possible. कई लोग तो अपनी नई कार को नई रखने के चक्कर में सीट्स की प्लास्टिक ही नहीं उतारते। अरे कार सीट्स को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए सीट कवर्स है ना। Auto manufacturers use this to prevent damages and stains during manufacturing and transport. The plastic used is very cheap in quality and is designed to be thrown away once the car gets in use. So if you leave these plastic sheets over your car seats, they secrete harmful chemicals, especially during extreme weather conditions, and we keep on breathing these chemicals when inside the car. So throw away these plastic sheets immediately and switch on to beautiful seat covers that protect your car seats without compromising your health. Second in my checklist comes the car AC. Car AC filters should be regularly serviced, cleaned or replaced as per the requirement. These attracts the maximum of dust particles from outside atmosphere you would hardly even imagine, and that same quality of air keeps on circulating inside the car. I would suggest you to get it cleaned at least twice a year before every change of season. And same goes on with the air purifiers if you are using any in your car. Foot mats are the next attractive targets of harmful bacteria जो हमारी कार हाइजीन की तो वॉट ही लगा देते हैं. If possible, clean it every morning, keep it in sunlight for a few minutes and then put it back. Or else you can get it regularly washed, vacuumed or dry cleaned as per the quality of foot mats that you are using. This is surely going to prevent building up of harmful bacteria in the car. Seat covers come next in my checklist. साफ सुथरी गाड़ी में बैठते ही एक लग्जरी वाली फीलिंग आती है ना. Here again I would suggest you to vacuum or dry wash or wet wipe or apply fabric cleaner or conditioner over your seat covers depending on the fabric you are using for it. And don't forget to keep a box of tissue papers handy to wipe off the spills over car seat covers, especially when you're traveling with kids. कई बार आपने भी ये नोट किया होगा कि आपके आगे चल रही गाड़ी से चिप्स के रैपर्स या एम्प्टी वाटर बॉटल्स बाहर आ रही हो. माना कि आप अपनी गाड़ी साफ रखना चाहते हैं, बट इस चक्कर में हम अपनी सिटी को क्यों गंदा करें. Here I would recommend you to keep a handy trash bag in your car to throw away all your waste and dispose it once you are back home. Simple. Do keep a microfiber hand towel always in your reach to wipe away tiny dust particles over the delicate surface of your car. The microfiber towels are good enough to prevent scratches. So friends, follow the checklists and don't let the passion for your new car fade away with time. That's all for today, and we'll be back with more informative videos. If you liked our videos, press the like button, share and subscribe to my channel.